Hi, my name is John Nader, and my hackathon project for this term is called Beaver CalorieTrac. It's a simple website for keeping track of daily caloric intake. It allows users to create an account and keep track of their breakfast, lunch, and dinner and see their overall eating habits. The technologies that I used were Firebase. I used their Firestore database. I used authentication. I used their hosting, and I used their analytics. I used React for the front end, and I used a website called Adamam for their food database API. My overall goal is just to create a simple and easy to use website for keeping track of calories and macronutrients. I needed it to have user authentication. I needed a persistent database, and I needed it to be hosted on the internet. I also really wanted to use Google Firebase. I want to get better at it, so I thought this was a good way to practice. The main challenges stemmed from I was working alone. I tried to do this hackathon by myself. Although I learned some things, it was definitely a big challenge. Technology-wise, I struggled with the Firebase database. I spent a lot of time reading documentation. I also realized I'm not a good UI designer. I was not very happy with how the UI came out. I learned that teammates are invaluable. Although I think this was a good experiment, I will definitely look for a team next hackathon. I learned that taking breaks is key. I was stuck in a few problems sometimes, and just kind of walking away for 15 minutes helped. And I wish I knew the Firebase documentation a little bit more before starting. I could definitely improve this website going forward. I will definitely improve the food search. The API that I used had a lot of cool features that I didn't really get to use because of time. So when I work on this in the future, I will definitely utilize those features. I would also like to add a page for statistics, show graphs and charts of the user's overall eating habits. And I would also like to redo the whole UI from scratch. Cool. To show a demo. So this is the main login page. So when you go to the website for the first time, this is what you'll see. And if you don't have an account, you just sign up with test@gmail.com and create a password and my name. And I can sign up. It gives me a little alert. And then I'm taken to the main home page. By default, it will show you today's date and the breakfast, lunch, and dinner for today. And it'll also show you the daily total of all your calories and macronutrients. If I wanted to add food for my breakfast today, I could go under breakfast and edit foods. Then I could search for foods. I could search for scrambled eggs. And this is from the food database API. And I could say I ate 50 grams of scrambled eggs. And I also had one whole banana. So this is my breakfast for today. And then I could confirm meal. And this will take me back to the home page. It will have my breakfast added, and it will update my daily total. I could go back to other days. Say I wanted to add my dinner for yesterday. I could go back one day and go edit foods under dinner. And say I had a burger, and I had a Tubby's fast food burger. I had, 5 slices of that. I could add that. And I also drank a Coke, one whole Coke. And confirm meal. So this is my dinner for yesterday. And then I could go back to today. I can even enter foods for the future if I wanted to. And if I wanted to edit foods, I could just go back, edit foods, say I didn't have a banana. That was a lie. Go for a meal. Now I just got scrambled eggs. So, and then when I'm done, I could sign out, and I'm back to the login page. And that's my project.